Uh, Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
First of all, thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Er.Akash Kumar, and I am from Bihar. Uh, Currently, I am pursuing BIM professional course in Unix Civil. In this course, include Revit, Revit architecture, Revit structure, Revit MEP, AutoCAD, and Naviswork and Tekla structure. In this course I have complete AutoCAD with the architectural sheet for uh, floor plan, elevation, and section. And in Revit, I have created a 3D model and walkthrough and rendering.
Okay. Okay. Uh, what are the different file formats in Revit?
Sorry.
What are the different file formats in Revit? Like in AutoCAD, .dwg.
Sir, actually, your voice is not correctly coming.
Okay.
Can you repeat again?
I said, what are the different file formats in Revit?
There are four types of file format in Revit: .rvt, .rft, and .rte and .rfa.
Very good. What is BEP?
BEP is a BIM execution plan that outline the project of BEP outline the project of.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. And what are the different LODs? Explain about LODs.
Mm, Sir, can I take 1 second?
Yes, yes.
Actually, my network issue.
You can off your camera. You can off your camera, and I think you can continue without camera. I'm okay with that.
Hello.
Yes. If you want, you can off your camera. Okay. Maybe it will work. Now I can explain about all the LODs.
Hello.
Hello. आवाज आ रही है?
Sir, can you repeat?
I said explain all the LODs. LOD.
The, there are different stages of LOD. LOD 100 is a conceptual design. LOD 200 is a systematic design. LOD 300 is a construction documentation, and LOD 3 is a detail design, and LOD 350 is a construction documentation. LOD 400 is a fabrication and assembly. LOD 500 as built.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prakash. This was nice talk with you. Okay. You can off your camera, I think, mic, because आपका network भी काफी issue में है. Now come with Dhaneshwar and anyone else ready? Guys, drop the message. Okay, sir, I'm ready. Very good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So after Dhaneshwar will come in the Melvin, then Vikash. Sharwari. ठीक है सरवारी आपका करते हैं. After Dhaneshwar, you should be ready. Great. Dhaneshwar ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dhaneshwar, what is the use of Tekla software?
Tekla software is a building information modeling software. It is basically used for structural detailing of structural elements of building. Like we can detail rebarring of it. We can create steel structure like floor bridges and all the infrastructure related to steel.
Okay. How many lectures you watch in that?
Sir, I completed 3 lectures.
Good. Okay. And what are the file formats of AutoCAD?
AutoCAD file format is .dwg file.
I said what are? एक से ज़्यादा होगा.
What are, yes, sir, but sir, I don't know about it.
Okay.
I
What's
I will go through it, sir.
okay? What's your strength?
My strength are I am hardworking and keen to learn new things, and I am a quick learner, sir.
Give me an example of your hard work person. How can I believe?
Uh, like from my internship that my sir give me a project, capital height project, and I give my 100% on it. I complete all the aspect of that project
Very good.
with my honesty.
Okay. What is COVI?
COBE stand for computer operation. Sorry, construction operational building information exchange, which is basically a file information exchange data exchange format. It will allows us to exchange of information about each element of infrastructure throughout its life cycle.
Very good. Last
It
question.
in
Yeah.
sir. Yes.
Yes, yes. What do you understand about point cloud?
Point cloud basically data of scan data which is scan which is which scans a multiple files of scan data of any building, which is in a format of point cloud. Then we will merge it and we get a file. Then we get a point cloud file basically.
Very good. Thank you so much, Dhanesh sir. This was nice talk.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sarvari, can on your mic, please.
Yes.
Okay. Sarvari,
Good evening, sir.
good evening, Ji. Sarvari, difference between CAT to BIM and scan to BIM.
In CAT to BIM, uh, we uh, we we insert CAD files in Revit, and we make through that models, and scan to BIM in scan to BIM. We scan some buildings and that buildings pictures and all. From that file, we make plan.
Okay. What is the use of BIM 360?
Beyond 360. It is a design collaboration. It is cloud based model.
Cloud-based, not model, cloud-based document management system. Okay. And what
Yes.
is the use of recap software?
Recap is used for scan to beam.
Scan to BIM what?
मतलब in that we make scanning files and all that projects in software.
Okay. What's your weakness?
And detail oriented.
Okay. How much cover we provide in column?
40 mm.
Okay. And for beam?
Beam 25 mm.
Difference between one-way slab and two-way slab?
The ratio of Ly by Lx is less than 2, then the slab is two-way, and the ratio of Ly by Lx is greater than 2, then the slab is one-way.
Okay. And what are the different types of columns based on loadings?
Axial, uniaxial, biaxial.
Three types.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And based on reinforcement?
No idea, sir.
Okay.
I can learn.
Okay, no issue. Last question with you. Why should we hire you?
Because I am interested to learn new things, and I am hardworking, and I can give my best to the company.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sarwari. Last time से आपने improve किया है. It's good. Keep continue. ठीक है?
Thank you, sir.
Okay जी. Now next is Mr. Melvin, and after Melvin, Vikas.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are. Mr. Melvin,
Good evening, sir.
good evening ji. What is connection and what are the different types of connections?
Connections are the connections in steel structures are required to connect the various components or the elements in the structural building. And the different types of connections are based on first one is according to the type of connections provided, and second one is according to type of internal forces. Third one is the according to type of internal elements, and fifth one is according to the types of member joining.
Okay, can you give it the name also?
According to the connections provided are that riveted, bolted, welded connections, and according to the type of internal forces, it includes shear connections like for semi-rigid and simple connections, and moment connections for the rigid structures. And according to the type of structural elements, single plate angle connections, double web angle connections, and top and seated beam angle connections. And according to the type of members joining, that are the beam to beam connections, column to column connections, beam to column connections, and column base plate connections.
Okay, very good. What are the different? What is the difference between PEB structures and conventional structures?
Difference between PEB structures and
Conventional steel structure.
conventional structures is that the conventional structures are constructed on site, and PEB it refers to the constructed pre-engineered buildings. So these are first constructed at the factory, and then they are placed to the on site.
Okay. Any other difference?
Major difference is that they are 30% more cost effective, means, and they are easy to handle, means easy to transport due to their lightweight, and
Okay.
and
What
they are more economical.
Okay. What do you understand by deck slab?
Deck slab. Sorry, sir. For now, I
Okay.
don't have any knowledge.
What are the different types of drawings we use for construction?
Different types of drawings are first one is various types, means floor plans, then structural plans, and electrical plans, sections, elevation plans, electrical plans, plumbing plans, HVAC drawings, and then interior drawings, and that's all.
Okay, got it. Last question with you is, what is the difference between smart work and hard work?
Smart work and hard work. Difference between these two is that smart work is done efficiently, which means it requires less time, and hard work it requires more time to do that same work.
Okay. Thank you so much, Melvin. This was nice talk with you. Good presentation.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good. Okay. Ji. Now next is guys Mr. Vikas Sharma ji. And after Vikas who's comment here, after Vikas we will come with Girinder, then Girish, then Sudharani, then Talaha. Mr. Vikas ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ji. Now Mr.
Sorry.
Vikas. Yeah.
Good
Ready,
evening,
right?
sir.
Good evening, ji. Mr. Vikas, same question with you is, what are the different types of steel section? What are the different types of steel section we can use for construction? Just example, circular pipe and
I sections. Okay, L section. I section, L section, or simple girder beam. Like there's no, no end, no T point like this, single. Or
difference between
sections.
that. No, okay, that no. So, difference between cold form steel and hot rolled steel.
Cold form steel is a member which which is deformed when means steel wood form. In factories, when we build the member of steel members, है ना? Okay, when there the times of deformation or twistings, then it is deformed in the uh, uh, I think hot rod, uh, twisted after it poured into cold water after
Okay.
twisting.
Okay. What are the different types of steel grade we use?
Steel grade.
Like 415, Fe 415.
Okay. Yeah. Fe 415, Fe 500, Fe 500D. Okay.
And
Uh,
what do you understand by Fe 500 SD?
SD.
SD.
Structure, simple design. Like,
Okay. And what should we hire you?
I think I have required skills to get these positions, and I think I'm adaptive to this environment, like in your company, and I'm very hardworking and enthusiastic and eager to learn new things quickly, and always always ready for new challenges. That's why you should hire me.
Okay. You just said कि you are a hard-working person. Difference between smart work and hard work.
The smart work is efficient with the help of some tools. We can use the larger things, very complicated things in a very less hours, na? Or very less efforts. Okay, and smart work is we can first for beginning of the works, we can make some plans, make some notes before commencement of the projects. We can make the plans, some write down the points before execution of the plans, what required, what necessary equipments or what necessaries, the things which we have to available before commencing of the projects, and what tools and what type of persons and different stakeholders we required for completion of these projects. Okay, so like this we can arrange these things in a very smart way before execution of large or complex projects.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you so much, Vikas. This was nice talk with you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, ji. Now next is Mr. Girinder, and then Girish. Mr. Girinder, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Girinder, the same question with you. The difference between hard work and smart work.
So, smart work is doing work more efficiently so that you can complete your work in half time as compared to the hard work.
You are a hard working person or a smart work person?
It's smart working.
Okay. Now you're looking for the job in the BIM sector, right? So what is BIM?
So, BIM is a process in which we make intelligent 3D models through which we take out the extract informations.
What do you understand by intelligent 3D model?
So, intelligent 3D models mean it is not just a 3D model, but it contains the information like we can take out the schedule, material takeoff from it.
What is the use of drawings?
So drawings are used as a reference to make the structure and to show the orientation and comparison of the structure to other components.
Okay. And what do you understand by BMS?
BMS is building management system. It is a smart building system in which you can control all the building components such as lighting, lift, and that while with a single remote or a switch.
Good. How many lectures you watch in Tekla?
3.
Okay, great. And last question to you is, in my company there is a 2-year bonds, Grinder. Are you compatible to work with the 2-year bonds?
Yes, sir. I am comfortable if terms and conditions are in favor of both the company and me.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Grinder. It's nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ji. Now next is Mr. Girish. Mr. Girish,
Yes, sir.
what are the good qualities you have and what are the bad qualities you have?
So, some of the good qualities which I have are basically my professional skills, which are leadership, time management, task management, and some of the bad qualities I would list are that I tend to say yes to the help I am asked to, that I cannot say no, and sometimes I'm very into my work that I tend to ignore some important stuff like food and drinking water, etc.
Okay. Difference between PEB structures and RCC structures.
Okay, sir. PEB structures are pre-planned build structures in which there is the foundation is simpler and there is the cost is reduced. It is lighter in weight and also the erection is faster than the RCC structures.
Very good. And what is the difference between pre-tension slab and post-tension slab?
In pre-tension slab before the hardening of cement or before pouring of the cement, the steel is tensioned, that is it is stretched. In post-tensioning cement, post-tensioning sections, the cement is poured after the tensioning, that is it is post-tensioned. The steel is tensioned after the cement is hardened.
Okay. Beam is a tension member or compression member?
Beam is a flexural member.
Flex. Very good. Okay. And what is the use of development length?
A development in length is provided in the columns after a specific length when it connects with the beam and other structures.
Transfer the load.
Yeah, to transfer the load.
Great. Thank you so much, Girish. This nice talk. Very good.
Thanks.
Okay जी.
Thank you.
Now next, okay जी. Guys, all जो ready हैं guys comment कर दीजिए. अभी सुधारानी and तलहा और कौन ready है guys comment करिए. सुधारानी ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And after that we'll come with Talaha, and after Talaha, if anyone ready, guys drop the message fast. Okay. So Sudharani, what is BIM?
BIM is the Building Information Modeling, sir. It is the process of hold the information of the model is prepared by 2D to 7D.
Okay. Explain all the dimensions from 2D to 7D.
1D is research and planning, 2D is a drawing, 3D is modeling, 4D is with time, 5D is cost, and 6D is, sorry sir, I had forgot.
It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. And why you want to make your career in BIM?
Sir, I have a huge interest in the building modeling, sir. That's why I had chosen this platform.
Okay. And you complete your portfolio?
No, sir, अभी चल रहा है.
This is your interest, as you said, user interest. This is not showing, right?
Sir.
Yes. Okay. Right now you're looking for the BIM job. So what are the different companies which is working BIM right now, as per your research?
Sir, I am searching as a structural engineer, structural modeler in BIM, and also searching as a architecture also.
Okay. What do you understand by crank bar?
Crank bar, it is provided in the inclined portion at the end of the beam, sir. It is provided in 45 degree.
Okay. And what do you understand by anchor bars? Okay. And the difference between ties and stirrups?
Ties are provided to connect the stirrups and vertical bars, sir.
Okay.
And stirrups are the vertical bars provided in beams and columns.
Okay. What did the call out command? What is the use of call out command?
Call out is a command which is used to zoom out the one portion in the drawing to give the greater dimensioning and
ओके ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच सुधा रानी. कोई भी मॉक स्किप मत करिए और कंटिन्यू रहिए, सिलेक्शन मिल सकता है. ठीक है.
okay sir, thank you.
ओके जी. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज गाइस, देयर वाज किसका था ना, गौश का था क्या, नहीं, तलहा का. तलहा on a mic please, and after Talha will come with Ayas, then Jesse.
Hello sir, good evening.
Good evening ji. Now Talha is ready, so Mr. Talha, what is the use of Revit software?
Revit is a BIM software where we do the architectural work, where we do structural work, and where we do the MEP work.
Okay. And in Revit, there is a command visibility graphics. What is the use of visibility graphics command?
Basically, its shortcut is VG, and basically it is used to used to um, used to use for if we need that element or whatever in the model, we can on or off that. We can interchange the transparency.
Yes, basically it is for on and off the elements which is required, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now in Revit software there is a command view range. What is the use of view range command?
View range command is used to see the plan from a certain point.
See the plan.
See the plan from a certain height.
Okay. What is the use of templates?
Templates is basically is a basically set of all work for a particular discipline, like architectural template, structural template, and MEP templates.
And what is the use of copy monitor command?
Copy and monitor command is used to create the levels.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. This last question with you is, what are the model elements?
Model elements are the element like wall, slab, beam, column. They all are model elements.
Okay. How many lectures you watch in Tekla?
Up to 5.
Up to 5. Very good. Thank you so much, Tala. This is a nice talk. Good. Now, guys, actually 5 तक सबको ही करना था. देखिए केवल तलहा ने किया अभी तक 5 तक. Okay, and after Tala, Ayas, and after Ayas, Jesse, then Brijesh.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ji. Ayas, ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay. Melvin, I think we're done with you. Melvin, you just message. What happened?
नहीं सर, वो लेक्चर 5 तक देख लिया.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. बहुत बढ़िया. Actually 5 तक ही करना था, वही मैं चेक कर रहा था कौन पीछे है. Okay. Now, Mr. Ayas, you're looking for the job in the BIM industry, or you join the one of company, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the job scan to beam?
Sir, scan to BIM, we generally use the model which is required repairing or demolition buildings. Generally, we use a few types of scanning, just like laser scanning and mobile scanning. With these scanning devices, we scan all the project and execute in our software like Revit and Autodesk Recap.
Okay. What do you understand by landscaping designing?
Landscaping designing, from my understanding, is that the design which represent whole the view, around our buildings is known as landscape design.
Okay. What do you understand by rainwater harvesting system?
So rainwater harvesting generally provided in societies, in cities, to store rainwater. To store rainwater. After that, the rainwater goes deep into our. It generally it recharge our groundwater.
Recharge the groundwater. This is right.
Yes.
Okay. What do you understand by 6D and 7D?
6D and 7D. So 6D is used for the time management and 7D used for facility.
6D is for time management and 7D is for facilities management. Sure.
Facility management. I'm not sure, sir.
Okay.
There
What
is
are the different level of maturities in BIM?
For maturity, sir, level 0, level 1, and level 2, and level 3.
Explain the levels.
Level 0, sir, no collaboration among the stakeholders. Level 1, a few connection with the stakeholders. Level 2 and level 3, sir, I don't have an idea right now.
Okay. What's your salary expectations, Mr. Yash?
Generally, sir, I have no salary expectation because I just want to make my career in BIM industry. That's all I want.
Very good. Thank you so much, Yash. It's nice talking. Good.
Thank you,
ये
sir.
तुम्हारा last वाला answer सबसे अच्छा. Okay, sir. Now Jayashree, and after Jayashree who's there, guys? Brajesh and then Sunil. Okay, Jayashree ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jayashree, what do you understand by CAD to BIM? Means what is CAD to BIM and what is scan to BIM and what is PDF to BIM?
Okay. So firstly, in CAD to BIM, we are importing a CAD file with the 2D plan, and we import the file in Revit, and simply we put a wall on that imported file, and we create a model from that CAD file. In scan to BIM, we get the 3D scanning data from the laser camera or the drone. With the help of the 3D scan data, and with the help of the recap software, we use that data in Revit, and we make a 3D model with that. And in PDF to Revit, we import the PDF in Revit file, and we make a model from that PDF reference.
Okay. You are team player or you like to work individually?
Sir, I'm both. I like to work with the team also, and if a company give me task to perform individually, so I can give my 100% to that also.
In my company, there are two modes. One is online mode. One is like you need to come in office. Which one you prefer?
Sir, I prefer office mode.
Why?
Sir, because in office mode, I can have opportunity to communicate with the other staff. So I think that is more helpful to me rather in online mode.
Very good. What is success as per you?
So success, the definition of success is obviously different for the every person. For me, success is just to achieve the essential needs of my life, that I've targeted some things in my life. Once I complete that, so it will be success for me, like the buying house, some comfortable life to my family. That is success for me.
Okay, got it. Now, if suppose you have a team and in team there are some members who is not productive, and
Yes.
I just make you the team leaders, how will make them productive?
So if I was a team leader, then I can just if my team members are not productive, so I can communicate with them in personal, not in front of everyone, so they get comfortable and they can share what problems they are facing. And after hearing that problem, I can try to solve their problem, and I can give some suggestions to them that from this step you can improve your work and give your 100% to your company.
Good. What you improve? What you improve from Gurukul?
So I have improved so much in Gurukul, sir, because I have so much gaps in my career. I have no, like I've shifted to the another city. I have no friends in new city. That I'm not communicated with anyone. By this mock test, I'm communicating with so much persons. I'm discussing some things which are related to my field. I'm learning so many new softwares, new things. Now I'm feeling that yes, I am a civil engineer and I'm connected to my field. So that's so
Very good.
more important to me.
Great. Thank you so much, Jesse. Jesse, how many lectures you watched?
Sir, I've completed 5 lectures.
Great. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ji. Now next is guys who's there? Last one is Brajesh. Brajesh, Mr. Ji, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. जी. एंड आफ्टर ब्रजेश या सुनील राणा जी आप रेडी रहिए, उसके बाद एस के जी आप भी रेडी रहिएगा. ओके एंड मिस्टर ब्रजेश, व्हाट यू प्रिपेयर फॉर टुडेज मॉक, मिस्टर ब्रजेश?
So I've prepared the usual stuff that I usually do. All the previous 3 PDFs that were given, Janita Award, which is the most important things that are to be done for the OPM industry and the regular interviews. So I've prepared that much.
Great. So we are going to out of the box.
Sure.
Okay. What was your project in college?
So my project was of the illegal extraction of sand mining from the Mahanadi River that we had. We have a major chunk in Baleswar in Odisha and then in Cuttack. So I was doing a project on that.
Can you just brief about that with everyone?
So basically, construction rate in Odisha has been exponentially growing when compared to the other metro cities. So in Cuttack and in Baleswar, that is the Mahanadi area that we have in Cuttack here, connecting Bhubaneswar and Cuttack, we have major sand mines, so we can collect sand. But around for the last 10 years, we have seen a decreasing amount of water retention capacity in the Mahanadi River. That is uh, what we saw during our research was one of the most alarming things in for Odisha, because it was a primary reason for having floods in the lowermost regions, that are the hilly regions, in fact, which was very uncommon uh, in the earlier years. So that was what the project, and how it actually how it affected the habitat. So that was the major thing that we had in our project.
Suppose you have a power to change something related to civil engineering in India. What are the things you want to be changed in these industries, or you want to add in these industries?
So for what I have experienced would be I would enhance the amount of practical knowledge we could taught in the schools and colleges, or the starting period that we had. We would enhance, or we would focus more on the practical things that are to be done in the field, maybe field or the software that we are doing right now. That would be my priorities first.
Great. Okay. And right now you're preparing for the beam. So can you just explain us what do you understand by IGBC?
So IGBC is the Green Build Council, which is Green Building Council. I don't recall the full name of that, but they are the bodies that give the certifications to the sustainable buildings.
Okay. And right now you're preparing for the Tekla. So how many lectures you watch in Tekla?
So right now, unfortunately, I have completed full of 2 lectures. I was busy for the interview.
Okay.
So
What
I
is the use
could.
of Tekla software? What did we use?
So basically, we use Tekla for structural modeling majorly. So that is what I have learned this far.
Structural modeling, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Difference between one-way slab and two-way slab.
So one-way slab, we have the slab is with support on around 2 columns, whereas for two-way slab we have support on all the 4 corners.
Great. Thank you so much, Rajesh. It's nice talking to you. Good. गाइस आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जाने में क्या होता है कि जैसे कि देखा होगा आप लोगों ने, मैं आज का जो मॉक ले रहा हूँ मैक्सिमम देख रहे होंगे आप आउट ऑफ द ट्रैक, मतलब किसी से कुछ किसी से कुछ किसी से कुछ। तो ऐसे में क्या होता है, ऐसे में गलतियां होने का चांस ज़्यादा है। जैसे देखिए जयश्री से मैंने काफ़ी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स में जाके क्वेश्चन पूछा। ये चीज़ आपको लर्न करना, अभी सबसे संभव नहीं है ना, सबसे अलग अलग। जैसे कि अब राजेश से आपने देखा होगा, जो उन्होंने प्रिपेयर किया था मैंने वो नहीं पूछा जानबूझ के, ठीक है, सो दैट वी कैन चेक कि एट दैट सिचुएशन व्हाट यू डू। ठीक है, अभी मैं किसी एक को बहुत ज़्यादा वो करूँगा, क्या बोलते हैं, डीमोटिवेट करूँगा, एंड देन देखेंगे उस समय क्या परफॉर्मेंस आता है आपका। ठीक है, तो कोई एक ऐसा होगा जिसको, जैसे कंपनीज में आप जाओगे गए तो आपको कोई एक ऐसा होगा जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा, कोई एक क्या, लगभग सबको ही प्रेशर करके क्वेश्चन, मतलब आपके मोटिवेशन को डाउन करके क्वेश्चन को पूछा जाता है। देन विल सी, अभी मैं बताऊंगा नहीं किसे करने हैं, बट देखेंगे उनका कैसे परफॉर्मेंस होता है। नाउ मिस्टर सुनील रेडी? मिस्टर सुनील रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sunil, why you want to join our company?
I want to make sir career in beam industry and to improve this sir every day in work in beam industry.
Okay. What's your salary expectations?
My salary expectation sir as per industry norms sir.
What different you have? Because we have many candidates. Why should we choose you?
Sir,
No idea?
yes.
Okay. And what's your biggest achievements?
My biggest achievement sir is diploma holder sir in first class in destination.
With distinctions, not destination. Okay. Your favorite subject in diploma?
My favorite sir, serving sir, serving.
Surveying is your favorite subject, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you understand by IBMS?
Intelligent building system sir.
Intelligent building system. Sure.
Sir. Yes sir.
Okay. How to do estimation in Revit? Tell us the steps. And how many lectures you watch in Tekla?
3 lectures sir.
Revit भूल रहा है, यही होता है। इसीलिए हमें कंटिन्यू अपने आप को रिवाइज मोड में रखना पड़ेगा सुनील, ठीक है। जब भी समय मिले आप एक्सेल सीट को मेंटेन रखिए, और एक बार एक्सेल सीट को देखते रहिए, यार यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा पिच कर रहा हूँ, चलो देख के आते हैं। तो वो हफ्ते में एक बार उस पर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए, नहीं तो नुकसान हो जाएगा, ठीक है। एंड इन हाउ मेनी कंपनीज अप्लाइड?
Sir, 15 to 16 company.
Your portfolio is done?
Yes sir, portfolio done sir.
Okay, great. Keep applying and keep talk with everyone so that you can get the opportunities soon. Okay. 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 जी. Now next is after Sunil is SK जी है, SK, Mr. SK, and then Lakshman. Mr. SK ready?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
SK, what you like in yourself and what you don't like about yourself?
I like many things about myself. Like I pick interest in the things I pick interest in. I give work to it, and I do it with dedication. If it required hard work, I'm ready for it. Things like that, and I don't like something is if I get distracted about something, or due to other works, I give priority to other works, and ultimately when I rethink about it, it was not that necessary. That's it, sir.
Okay. What do you understand by smart building?
Smart building is a building which we can access its different components with through software or through a remote. Like we can access its lights, its temperature, like that with within our hand. That's smart building.
What do you understand by precast? Precast structure.
Precast precast structures are the structures where the components of the building are uh, already made in factories with keen precisions, and all the temperatures and all are in check, and we need to only install that components are at site. Those are known as precast structure.
Okay. As per you, what is success?
So as per me, success, though the success definition of success is different for everyone.
Yes.
For me, success is to keep my family happy and see myself in a position where I'm doing good and all the basic necessities are fulfilled, and I can achieve or I can do something that makes me happy. That's success for me.
Great. Thank you so much, SK. So nice talking with you. SK, how many lectures you watched in Tekla?
So I watched 3 lectures.
Do fast, क्योंकि आज 2 लेक्चर में देने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, थोड़ा मेहनत करो.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. ओके
जी सर.
ओके गैस मैं वैसे 2 लेक्चर्स देने का प्लान में था, बट ठीक है, कुछ लोग का अभी पीछे चल रहा है, तो इसलिए उनको कंसीडर करते हुए ओनली लेक्चर 6 यू नीड टू वॉच. अदरवाइज मेरा प्लान था 6 एंड 7, क्योंकि 10 तक जल्दी करना पड़ता है. उसके बाद तो फिर कैसे है कि आज आपको सारे नोट्स भेज दूंगा, और 10 के बाद क्या है कि आपको मॉडल आ जाएगा, मॉडलिंग करना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. तो जस्ट वॉच द लेक्चर नंबर 6, बाकी हम लोग आगे दिखेंगे कल. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर एसके के बाद लक्ष्मण जी हैं. मिस्टर लक्ष्मण देन भरत. क्या बात है, लक्ष्मण देन भरत. लक्ष्मण.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you know about Lakshman from
Yes, sir.
Ramayan?
Yes.
Okay. What characters you like in Lakshman?
Sir, basically, Lakshman is a very obedient person and keeping faith on Rama. And
That you like.
Yes, sir, that I like most.
Great. Okay. And you are obedient person?
Yes, definitely.
Great. Okay. Right now you're looking for the job in BIM sector, right?
Yes.
What's your goal?
Sir, achieve a position that helps me to create wealth and become successful to myself. That is my goal.
Okay. And as per you, what is life?
Yes, life is happiness and not a burdened life, as per my view. And life is basically when we have that much of wealth, then if we want to take treatment in any hospital, that we don't have to hesitate. And if I want to spend some time with nature, atmosphere, that much money I do possess. That is life, I think.
Okay. And what is BIM?
BIM is a building information modeling, and it's a very intelligent model. We can extract information from it for further construction.
How to find BVS from Revit structure?
Yes, we can surely find BVS in scheduling, and we can find scheduling in view tab, create, and then schedule and quantities.
Good. What is the standard A4 paper size?
210 by 296 mm.
297.
297 mm. Yes.
297. Okay. What is drawing?
Drawing is a document where we can make all the details of the buildings, and we send it to site, and contractor should get the correct information from that document is drawing.
What is the advantage of beam?
Sir, as per conventional softwares like AutoCAD, we can get information from AutoCAD is 2D and 3D, but in beam we can get the information 2D 3D plus each and every element we can see in beam, what's it is, how it is connected, and what is the costing time we can calculate from the beam model. That's the
Great. Thank you so much, Lakshman. This is a nice talk.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Bharat, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bharat, what qualities you like from Bharat as a characters?
I would like in Bharat, so he have a very emotional attraction to Rama in Lakshman, as a means in their brotherhood they from their brother relation was very attractive and very helpful.
Okay. What's your daily schedule?
My daily schedule is to complete first of all to complete Gurukul lecture. Means currently this software is teaching that, and second one done my practice project on Revit, and after that making this project improvement for portfolio, and after applying 2 to 3 times per day in different companies.
Today, in which companies you applied?
Today, sir, no. Today I applied only in one company on LinkedIn, which is architectural company, architecture consultancy company, but in Indore, name not remains.
Okay. And what are the things you prepared today?
Today I watched lecture 4 to 5 in Revit in Tekla, and after that work on some remaining project.
Okay. What you learn in lecture number 4 and 5?
We learn different many things in lecture 4 5 covered PDF, how to apply, how to connect footing and beam to connect stair footing, so how to connect a beam and column, how to connect vertical column copy with pin copy column. We make an angle of 40 degree bar vertical, so we connected upper column to the lower column, and many things we teach in PDF.
Okay. What is the use of starter bar?
Starter bar means to connect column to footing, column bars to footing bars.
Okay. Thank you so much, Bharat. This was nice to talk with you. 5 लेक्चर हो गया है ना?
हाँ सर.
और जिन कंपनी में अप्लाई करो उनकी एक्सेल सीट बनाओ. देख लो तुम्हें याद नहीं, आज की कंपनी याद नहीं, सोचो 1 हफ्ते पहले की पूछूंगा तो.
अच्छा.
समझ गए?
सर वो
ये आपका लॉस है.
जरूरी क्या वो हर एक कंपनी में अप्लाई करते हैं?
आपने 15 दिन पहले किसी कंपनी में अप्लाई किया था, रिस्पांस नहीं आया, तो दोबारा आपको उनसे कांटेक्ट करना चाहिए ना. क्यों नहीं आया? कैसे कांटेक्ट करोगे? आपको याद रहेगा 15 दिन पहले कंपनी?
नहीं सर, कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं सर ऐसे एचआर से या जिस
दोबारा रीमेल तो कर ही सकते हैं ना जो हमारे हाथ में है।
अच्छा
चलिए मिस्टर भाविन and after Bhavin will come with Mr. Tanmay and anyone else remaining kindly drop the message. Bhavin, ready? Bhavin,
Yes,
looking for the job in the BIM industry. How many lectures you attended in Tekla?
3 lectures.
Sorry, 3 lectures you done, right?
Yes.
Okay. Introduce yourself in short.
My full name is Arun Kumar Prasad Divani. I am from Ahmedabad. I completed BE Civil Engineering from Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. I work with Sarthi Construction, and I have knowledge about AutoCAD, Revit architecture, structure, MEP.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay. Explain what all the LODs in brief.
LOD is the level of development. LOD 100, LOD 200, 300, 350, 500.
Explain about that.
100 is a 2D drawing. Sorry. 100 is a 200 is a 2D drawing and all the parameters, and LOD 300 is a 3D model which include wall, windows, door. LOD 300 includes fabrication work, also mechanical, electrical 3D model, and 500 is a build.
ओके भाविन, थोड़ा सा ना जैसे कि कोई बात नहीं, आप प्रयास कर रहे हैं, दैट्स नाइस। आप अभी जॉब में कितने घंटे जाते हैं आपको डेली जॉब में?
Currently, I am searching for. I am now actually.
ओके, आपने कम्युनिकेशन बैच ज्वाइन किया है इंग्लिश की?
Yes.
किया हुआ है?
Yes.
बट बेनिफिट नहीं दिख रहा है, अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हो?
Yes, अटेंड तो कर रहा हूँ सर। मेरा कल इंटरव्यू है और अहमदाबाद में एक कंपनी यूनिक्स कैड करके।
ब्रिक्स कैड में?
नहीं, यूनिक्स कैड करके।
यूनिक्स कैड। दोस्त थोड़ा सा ना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए फिर आप कम्युनिकेशन बैच पक्का सही से नहीं ज्वाइन कर रहे हो। ज्वाइन सिर्फ अगर आपने पैसे से किया हुआ है तो उसको ज्वाइन नहीं बोलेंगे दोस्त। ज्वाइन इन द सेंस कि मैं उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ, समझ रहे हो? दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ज्वाइनिंग। थोड़ा मेहनत करो उस पर, तुम्हारा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा। लेकिन अभी कैसे हो रहा है कि तुम्हारा ना उस चीज़ में प्रैक्टिस नहीं है। जैसे होता है ना कि सुबह जैसे कैसे होता है कि जैसे मेरे को ना, जब मैं कभी आप अभी चलिए रोज़ का काम है तो मेरे लिए अभी नया नहीं है कुछ आपको पढ़ाना, बट आपको पढ़ाने से पहले जब मैं काम करता था तो मेरे भी कैसे हमारा पढ़ाना काम नहीं था, तो क्या करते थे हम मिरर के सामने बैठ के बार बार चीज़ों को बोलते थे। ठीक है, आज तो चलो ये हो गया, मैं अभी फ्रीलांसिंग वर्क करता था, फ्रीलांसिंग में बोर्ड में पढ़ाना होता था, तो वी नीड टू लर्न द ऑल द डिफिनीशंस। बिल्डिंग बाय लॉ पढ़ रहे हैं तो पूरा याद रखना पड़ता था हमें एक एक चीज़ को। ठीक है, तो उसको क्या होता है मेरे के सामने बार बार बोलते थे, बोलते बोलते क्या होता है याद हो जाता था। और सेम थिंग वी डन विद व्हेन आई वाज द फिजिक्स टीचर। अभी कैसे होता है फिजिक्स वगैरह को कैसे होता है पूरा याद करना पड़ता है। ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या करते थे अपने आके बैठ बैठ के, मैं अपने कॉलेज के टाइम का बात बता रहा हूँ, तो हम लोग रट लेते थे जिससे कि कॉलेज क्लास में जाए तो अच्छे से पढ़ा सके। वही चीज़ आपको करना है, एक जगह बैठ के कई बार पढ़ो। मोबाइल का रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर लो भाविन, और रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन करके बोलो और फिर सुनो मेरा परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा वर्क करो दोस्त, करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, आपने ट्राई किया, इसके लिए हम अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं आपको, हम डिमोटिवेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, जस्ट अभी इस पे काम करना है। ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच भाविन, इट्स नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू। Now next is Bhavin के बाद किसका मॉक है guys? This is Tanmay. After Tanmay, Ravi, and then Vishal. Mr. Tanmay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ravi, you should be ready. And
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ji. Now, Mr. Tanmay, what you prepare for today's mock? You can off your video क्योंकि आपका नेट बहुत गड़बड़ है.
I have
You can off your video.
prepared.
Yes.
Sir.
What are the things you prepare for today's mock?
Yes, sir.
What
Sir, actually, I have not prepared due to a health issue.
Okay.
I am before 10 days. I am actually suffer for.
From dengue?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Suffer from what?
No, sir. Fever, sir. Fever. Sorry.
Fever. From last 10 days, you are suffering from fever, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now you will.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your portfolio is done.
No, sir. Actually, I have add my portfolio in only 2 projects. Pending few projects for adding portfolio. I am working on it, sir.
लेट हो रहा है दोस्त, क्योंकि कैसे होता है, अब आपको अब तक में अप्लाई करने का टारगेट करना चाहिए था. इट इज गोइंग टू बी लेट. ओके, ठीक है, आपका 10 दिन का मेडिकल इशू हो गया, दैट इज ऑल राइट, बट अभी फोकस कर दीजिए. ओके, एंड जस्ट एक्सप्लेन अबाउट 60, 70 and 80.
So 60 building performance, 70 equal to facility management, and 80 safety, sir.
And explain all the level of maturities of BIM. Level of maturities in BIM.
Sir, LOD 100 equal to, sir.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, LOD 100 equal to conceptual design. LOD 200 equal to detailed design. LOD 300 equal to आपका construction detailed design. LOD 350 construction document, and LOD 400. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Difference between import CAD and link CAD in Revit.
Sir, import CAD is a process when work in individual, and link CAD is a process when we work teamwork in by using one link.
Okay. And why should we hire you?
Sir, I came to learn new thing quickly, and I assured that I will give best in the company.
Okay. थैंक यू सो तन्मय. तन्मय, सबसे पहले मुझे पोर्टफोलियो दिखाइए दोस्त, लेट हो रहा है बहुत. ठीक है, डू फास्ट एज सून एज पॉसिबल.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next is
Okay,
Mr.
sir.
Okay ji, Mr. Ravi.
Hello.
Yes, Ravi. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Ravi, in last 1 week, in how many companies you applied?
Sir, I think 4 or 5 company applied because of portfolio not done, but till now portfolio is done. So I will try to apply for company.
Okay, means your portfolio is done now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is portfolio?
Portfolio means which is all the details about what we teach, or what we means how much knowledge about that courses or required field.
And what is resume?
Resume it is detailed information about our academic and personal detail, academic and another experience and professional courses involving.
What motivate you to learn more things?
Sorry, sir.
What motivate you to learn more things?
1 minute, sir. 1
Yes,
minute.
you can just mute the mic. ये गुड प्रैक्टिस होता है, कोई बात नहीं, म्यूट करके माइक को ऑफ कर देना चाहिए। गैस घर में कभी भी आप रहे तो इस चीज को आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, इस स्किल को। ठीक है, कभी भी रवि जब कभी आपको इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं तुरंत माइक और कैमरा को बंद करके बता दो, ठीक है, उसके बाद अपना सॉल्व
Okay,
करके
sir.
फिर
Okay,
कंटिन्यू।
sir. Okay, sir.
ओके, रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I said what motivate you to learn daily new things?
Sorry, sir. I can't understand.
आपको क्या प्रेरित करता है कि आज ये नया सीखते हैं? ऐसी कोई चीज होती है कि जैसे किसी को प्रेरित कर सकता है उसका ग्रोथ, सैलरी ग्रोथ। सैलरी ग्रोथ एक रीजन है ना जिसको हम सीख रहे हैं, राइट? किसी का ये हो सकता है, किसी का हो सकता है कि माई इंटरेस्ट मोटिवेट मी, ठीक है, किसी को ऐसा हो सकता है माई फैमिली सिचुएशंस मोटिवेट मी। गॉट इट? आप समझ रहे हो कि क्वेश्चन का?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, कुछ तो मोटिवेट करता होगा ना आपको।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट मोटिवेट यू टू डू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स रेगुलरली?
First one is my family background, and second one is now I am 20 year old, and now I am not join proper job. So that is the most difficult question arise.
What's your goal? What's your goal?
My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed companies, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career as well as organization goals.
ओके रवि, आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा ना अपना एक शेड्यूल बनाओ कि क्योंकि आपके अंदर विल पावर है, ठीक है, विल पावर मतलब कि एक करने की इच्छा जो होती है वो है, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा अपने आप को ना रूटीन में डालोगे तो रिजल्ट आपको अच्छा मिलेगा। ठीक है, इसको कैसे होता है कि हमारे पास एक चाहत हो ना तो कुछ भी हो जाए, कैलिबर हो या ना हो, चाहत हो, ठीक है, बहुत लोगों के पास कैलिबर है लेकिन लेट के रील्स देख रहे हैं, उन कैलिबर का क्या ही होगा, चाह डालेंगे वो, राइट? बट एक जिसके पास कंसिस्टेंसी है, जिसके पास एक लगन होगा ना, तो दे कैन बी अचीव एनी थिंग्स। तो थोड़ा सा रूटीन के लिए आप वर्क करिए और रेगुलर बेसिस पर अप्लाई करिए, ठीक है, तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप कर सकते हैं, जैसे आपने बोला ना कि 28 ईयर्स पे लाइक मैंने अभी रूटीन पे अपने जॉब को नहीं डाला, आप कर सकते हैं, ठीक, और इतना अच्छा कर सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं। करने के लिए क्या करना है, कंटिन्यू लोगों से बात करके एक अच्छी जॉब लेके फिर एक पाथ पकड़ लेना है। ओके, ठीक है, करिए आराम से, मुझे एक्सेल सीट एक सबमिट करिए कि सर मैंने इतनी कंपनी में अप्लाई किया, आई जस्ट वांट टू सी। ठीक है,
ओके ओके
ओके जी। गैस जब आपके अंदर ये रियलाइजेशन हो जाए कि आई कैन डू एनी थिंग्स और लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू डू द थिंग्स होने लगेगा। ठीक है, अब उसमें होता क्या है कि मैं रिसेंटली एक वीडियो देख रहा था विकास दिव्यकीर्ति सर का। समवन सेड कि क्या द क्वेश्चन वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। द क्वेश्चन वाज कि कर्मा जो होता है क्या उसे कोई कराता है क्या? कर्मा जो मींस दैट व्हिच वी डूइंग्स, कोई कराता है क्या उसको? काम को कोई कराता है क्या? ठीक है, तो काम को डेफिनेटली कोई ना कोई तो कराता है। कौन कराता है? कभी सिचुएशन कराती है, ठीक है, कभी इंटरेस्ट कराता है, कभी लालच कराता है, कभी ग्रोथ कराता है। ठीक है, काम को करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो होता है ना कि व्हाई व्हाई वांट टू दिस कर्मा। ठीक है, तो कुछ ना कुछ, जैसे कि आपको जिम जाना है, ठीक है, कई रीजंस हो सकते हैं उसके। ठीक है, जिम जाना मुझे नहीं लगता कि प्रैक्टिकली किसी को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, किसी की हॉबी हो तो अलग चीज़ है, मैं उसको डिफेंड नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट अदरवाइज आप चाहोगे ना कि मैं आराम से मेरी ऐसे बैठे बैठे मेरी बॉडी मेंटेन हो जाए, बॉडी फिट हो जाए, कौन नहीं जाएगा, है ना? लेकिन जिम जाते क्यों है? किसी की लालच है कि मेरी बॉडी अच्छी हो जाएगी, किसी का इंटरेस्ट हो सकता है कि मेरी बॉडी मुझे मेंटेन करके रखना है, किसी का रीजन हो सकता है कि आई जस्ट वांट टू बी हेल्दी, आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव गेट द लॉन्गर लाइफ, ज़्यादा जीना चाहता हूँ। तो ऐसे कई ढेर सारे रीजंस हो सकते हैं। तो इन्होंने एक चीज़ बोला तो उस पर मुझे ये चीज़ याद आ गया, ये सेट कि आई जस्ट वांट टू ऑर्गेनाइज माय लाइफ। तो ऑर्गेनाइज अगर सच में करना चाहते हैं ना तो बहुत आसान है, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो अंदर से आ गया ना, अंदर से आ गया तो फिर कुछ भी हो जाएगा ना। ब्रजेश कुछ मेंशन करना चाह रहे हैं लग रहा है, बट ब्रजेश अच्छा ठीक है, आप मेंशन कर दीजिए क्योंकि इसका विशाल का मौका बचा हुआ है। आई थिंक
सर बस थोड़ा सर कल का वो क्लास में वो थोड़ा बता देंगे, वो जो ड्राइंग का रेविट में बनाने का, वो आइसोमेट्रिक ड्राइंग जो रेविट में बनाने को बोला था, मेरे से बना नहीं ऊपर वाला पार्ट।
ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा क्या है, मुझे भी ना एक्चुअली इसके बाद एक और मॉक लेना है
सर कल के
तो
क्लास में,
कल पक्का करा दूँ 100%, ठीक है,
कल स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा कर लेंगे।
100%, बस तुम याद दिला देना आज शाम, ठीक है
जी जी
क्योंकि उसको ना अपन ट्राई करेंगे और ट्राई करने में समय तो लगेगा ही, है ना,
जी
ठीक है, तो उसमें आधा घंटा तो कम से कम लग ही सकता है, और भी एक्सप्लेन करते समय तो जरूर, ठीक है, अपन ट्राई करेंगे,
जी
मैं
सर।
भी ट्राई करूंगा थोड़ा सा, ठीक है, चलेगा,
ठीक है।
ओके जी। नाउ मिस्टर विशाल।
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Now, Mr. Vishal, you just create the contents on YouTube also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right now,
You saw this?
right now you're doing that?
No, sir. Actually, my office side said to me do something on YouTube and make some contents for the farmers and clients to uh, see my work and see the office work also for the topographic survey, contour survey, or any other survey related. So that.
So right now you're doing for your company, right?
Yes, sir. Right now I'm doing for my company.
So they are uploading on that?
So I upload some videos, but in the office we don't manage the time for creating some videos. So I'm not able to
Doing
upload more videos.
Okay, ji. Now, right now your job role is?
So my job role is survey engineer. I have to manage some teams which are going to for the survey, topographic survey, contour survey. In case sometimes we do drone survey also. And I just my work is doing that and create these files into the drawings, contour survey or topographic survey, and we also did the revenue department's work and the government works.
Okay,
So
so right now means after survey you just do the on the Civil 3D or in AutoCAD?
simply AutoCAD. Sometimes we used Pix4D Mapper and other softwares for the drone data.
Okay. Now, but you right now you're looking for the job in BIM. Why you want to shift your career from survey to BIM?
Sir, I also work in a construction. Is a site engineer also. So I see the works how, and I thought that how design this structure, how design these beautiful buildings, and I also want to join a beam industry because here we can see the lots of beautiful designs and lots of structures. Also, and I also interested in structure and buildings. So I'm going to shift my career in BIM.
Okay. What are the different types of beams?
Means
Beams like
beam BIM or beams?
beam, normal beam. Beam means
Okay,
I'm
sir.
talking about simply supported.
Okay. So there are some beams just like a simply supported beam, fixed beam, cantilever or overhanging beam, and continuous beam.
And what are the different types of footings?
There are some footing like isolated footing step. Basically, for footings, isolated footing, stepped footings, and I thought this you are asking as a foundation. So I that well foundation, deep well or deep foundation, or shallow foundation. The parts of shallow foundation is stepped footing, tapered footing, or isolated footings, and continue footing, and must have, but I don't remember more.
Okay. What are the different types of columns?
Yes, sir. I have some. I remember some columns like centrics and eccentrics.
Eccentric column or eccentric footing?
Footing, sir. Sorry, sir. I don't remember more.
Okay. What is flat slab?
Flat slab. Since slab is simply supported over the beam, in a flats. Sir, I don't know.
Okay. What do you understand by inverted beam?
So inverted beam like uh, which inverted to the slab or any portion to the ground.
What do you understand by hidden beam?
Yes, sir.
Hidden beam.
Sir, it